Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have a bag from Portland Leather Goods, and I am a little apprehensive, real skeptical that this is going to be what I want because look at how small this bag is. I mean, this box is. This is what I picked up, large Grace doctor bag. So this box is kind of giving me anxiety. No, I'm just saying. We'll see. Let's see. All right. Let's pick this. I thought it was a cute color, and then I think I had some kind of discount, or they was having some big sale or something. And so I picked this up. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Boy, if this is the large, what the other ones look like. Okay, so there's some advertisement here. It's really pretty. And it's that smooth leather. It's really nice. We got some character here. No feet or anything, but oh wow, this is so pretty. Minimal branding. And I just love the shape of these handles and stuff. Very, very nice. Would have been nice if this was a pocket. Apparently this is a pocket on the other side. So let's take a look. She's pretty. And it's a little stiff getting in. So we got a nice long strap here. They don't really do branding. Very nice. Nice quality leather. Alright, so let's take this out. Alright, so there's the suede on the inside. And then you do have one big slip pocket here. This is really cute. But again, I'm thinking, if this is the large, what do the other ones look like? I don't remember what I paid. I want to say this was under $100 once they got through with the discounts. But I would try to put it on the screen for you and link it for you. Very, very nice. Super cute. I really like it. So I bought this while I was buying all that stuff from Coach. This had popped up too. And I am just obsessed with like the row-in type, doctor bag type bags. So this is super cute. And let's just put this on here and see how this looks. There it is. Super cute. All right, guys. So you're not going to be able to put this on your arm because you have very, very skinny arms. But this is just the top handle carry like that. Or you can have this crossbody. I guess you can make it short enough for it to be a shoulder carry. All right. So that is what I had to share today, guys. You can tell me what you think if you pick this up. This is super cute. And I'm super curious what the other sizes look like. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.